last week's sales tip, I promised I was going to show you how to make 7 sales calls a day. But first, let me ask you, do you have time to make 7 sales calls a day? Probably not. When I ask a live audience, they say, oh, no, they don't. What about 10? Oh, no, they don't. Okay. Do you have time to make 2 sales calls a day? Oh, sure, yeah. I've definitely got time for that. Great. Keep that in mind. So you have a task list, right? I'm looking at mine over here. When you're done watching this sales tip, and when I'm done recording it, we both have a decision to make. What's the next thing we're going to do? Before you get to that, when you look at that task list, before you do that thing you decided on, make 2 sales calls. Boom, boom. 2 sales calls. That's all. Right? Now, you're done with those 2 sales calls. Now you can go and do that thing on your task list. When you're done with that, before you get to the next thing, make 2 sales calls. Boom, boom. Now you've done 4. So you're done with those 2 sales calls and you go and you do the next thing on your task list. Maybe it's an appointment. After that, and before you decide what to do next, here it comes. Make 2 sales calls. Boom, boom. You can sneak them in like that. And suddenly you realize, holy cow, I've done that all day long. I made 12 sales calls today, 2 at a time. It's a very simple tip. It's a great way to increase your sales activity. If you increase, improve, and monitor your sales activity, your sales will grow. So that's it for this week. Something very simple. And I hope you have a great selling week. We'll talk to you next Monday.